Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked at IRS over a decade. I'm a national expert in IRS tax resolution matters. I have a following of 2,000 professionals that follow me on Facebook. I've been on all the major news stations, including Fox and ABC, regarding IRS matters. Today I want to talk to you about if you owe 941 business taxes, can you settle your debt through the offer and compromise? And the answer is yes, 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 you can. I used to work the program at IRS. I used to accept and deny offers and compromise, and most people don't know. They think the offer and compromise program is only for individuals. It's not. It's for anybody who owes tax. So, you know, if you owe 941 taxes, the offer, yes, is available to you, but you have to know the system. The offer is a very, boy, I taught this program. It's complicated when you have for businesses. IRS is going to want an offer though and look at you personally, and they're going to want to look at your business. So they're going to look at both financial statements. IRS is going to want a financial statement 433A and a 433B. You're going to have prepare both. IRS is going to combine both of your assets to see if there's any liquidity and how much both you and the business can pay. So they're looking at you really as one. So IRS is going to look closely to what is the liquidation value of your assets, both personally and business, and they're going to look to how much you have in available income left over to go ahead and pay the IRS. So I want you to know from the beginning the cardinal rule for the offer and compromise for both business and personal is whatever your liquidation value is of your assets is your base amount for the offer and compromise. If you could sell all your business assets and your personal assets for $100,000, your homestead's discounted 20%. But your value comes to 100. IRS isn't going to settle for any less than 100. That's plus your receivable, so you're wasting your time. Don't do the offer. I review the offers. I look at them, and I won't even take a case unless I know you can settle the debt. The program is not for everyone. It's for people kind of really don't have a lot. The next thing they're going to do is they're going to look at the income you bring in, and they're going to compare that to that of the national standard. IRS has a national standard for the individual and says you can only live on this a month based on where you live. For business, for your expenses, they're going to look at reasonable expenses and making sure you're not spending money here or there, just so you don't have any money left over. And the formula is very simple. They're going to look at what your equity is in all your assets, and they're going to look at what you have left over at the end of the month, and they're going to multiply that by the number of months left on your statute of limitations. So if you think you're an offer and compromise program for your business, remember they're going to include your personal life as well. IRS probably will accept right now for business offers. The national program right now for offers is about 20% acceptance. If you're going to do this by yourself, I'm going to be honest with you. Good luck with this. A lot of planning is required. You just don't have a client come in, you file an offer and compromise. There's moving and shuffling. You got to do a lot of moving around to be able to even to present the offer to the IRS. So just know, prepare for 433A, 433B. You'll need a 656. When you get that package all squared away, understand the National Standards Program and send that to IRS. If you have a large amount of money that you owe, do not do this. Do not do this by yourself. Whether you use me, someone else, your next door neighbor, don't do it by yourself because it takes a lot of skill to get an offer and compromise through. The average agent will spend at least 20 hours digging around and checking your financial statements before they do the offer. Thank you so much.